The most important part of detailing? It's the driver. After decades of elevating car care, we're bringing the same high-performance innovation to personal care. Starting with Body Blaster Shower Attachment. Suds yourself with a personal foam cannon, straight from your shower head. Paired with Birthday Suit Body Wash. pH balanced with added gloss enhancers to leave you shining. Oh baby. 𝗀𝗄𝗋𝗄𝗃 Antiperspirant Ceramic Body Lotion. Hydrophobic sweat beading spray with up to a year of lasting SiO2 protection. Damn, Joey. Torque 32DA Orbital Tooth Polisher. With 2 adjustable speeds. Gentle clean and 𝘊𝗃𝗲 gloss. 𝗪𝗶𝗃𝗏 reusable microfiber toilet towels. And no detail is complete without a 𝗃𝗄𝗄𝗍 hanging air freshener. Visit the link in the description to pick up your 𝗃𝗄𝗄𝗍 body shop today. Looking good, Joey.